If BD equals 7x minus 10, BC equals 4x minus 29, and CD equals 5x minus 9, find each value. So we need to figure out the values of these. In order to do this, we need to use the segment addition postulate, or typically I just call it SAP. And so we want to use the variables to set it up first before we figure out what our equation is. And so it ends up being this segment plus this segment equals this whole segment, making our segment addition postulate to be BC plus CD equals BD. And so I'm going to substitute what BC is plus substitute what CD is equals whatever BD is. Now that we have our equation, we can do the steps to solve. So I have this barrier right here, so I know that I have to combine like terms. So I can combine 4x and 5x. Next, I would combine 29 minus 9, and then write the rest. Next, I need to get variables on the same side, so I need to undo the 7x. So I'm going to subtract 7x on both sides. Be careful that when you copy this side, do not ignore the negative right here. So it has to be negative 10. And then let's continue to solve. And so now we figured out what our x value is. It's 14. Next, we find out what the length of BC is. Well, BC is 4x minus 29. Since we know that x equals 14, we can substitute 14 right here, making our value to be 27. Now let's do the same thing for CD. CD is right here, so we're going to substitute 14. Once we put it into the calculator, CD equals 61. Now let's look at BD. Let's substitute 14 for BD. So the value is going to be 88. Now we can check our answer on this to see if it's true. If I go ahead and write the segment addition postulate again and substitute my numbers, is it a true statement? Yes, it's correct.